Investment in AI has exploded in recent years, but worries about a possible AI bubble are growing just as fast. In Korea, those fears show up in the Kospi's sharp swings. Every time Wall Street gets nervous about an AI bubble, the index takes a hit. With so many top Kospi stocks tied to AI, the impact is hard to ignore. Some people compare today's AI boom to the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s when hype and overinvestment eventually sent markets crashing. But others say the bubble talk is overblown. Early excitement is normal for any breakthrough technology, and governments worldwide are actively backing AI. Plus, real-world uses, from boosting productivity to improving education, healthcare, and environmental services, are already taking shape. Until now, most worries about AI focused on job losses, but if an AI bubble were to burst, we could face a double shock: job insecurity combined with financial instability.
The AI industry has received massive investment, but revenue models are limited compared to the scale of funding.
While the AI sector has attracted huge funding, its monetization strategies remain underdeveloped compared to the level of investment. Okay, meaning of key phrases. Here, attracted huge funding means a lot of money has been invested in AI. Investors, companies, and even governments are putting big amounts of cash into AI projects because they believe it's the future. Monetization strategies means the ways AI companies plan to make money from their products or services. For example, charging subscription fees, selling AI-powered tools, or licensing their technology. Next, AI is getting a ton of money, but people still haven't really figured out how to make money from it. A ton of money means a very large amount of money. It's just a casual way of saying lots of investment or huge funding. Figure out how to means to find a way to do something or solve a problem. In this case, it's about discovering the right methods to actually make money from AI.
The sharp fluctuations in AI-related stocks indicate that the market is aware that a bubble is forming.
Okay, big swings in AI stock prices show that investors realize a bubble is building. Key phrases. Big swings means the stock prices are moving up and down a lot, very quickly. Instead of staying steady, they jump high and then drop low, kind of like a roller coaster. A bubble is building means investors think the prices are rising too fast and are higher than the real value of the companies. It's like blowing up a balloon. It keeps getting bigger until eventually it might pop, which, in the market, means prices could crash. Another way to say it: sudden ups and downs in AI stocks reveal that traders know a bubble is on the horizon. Reveal means to show or make something clear. In this case, the sudden ups and downs in AI stocks are showing us what traders are thinking. On the horizon means something is expected soon or is likely to happen in the near future. Here, it suggests that traders believe a bubble, which means an overheated market that could burst, is coming soon.
It is true that massive investment has gone into AI, but this is only natural in the early stage of any emerging industry.
Another way to say it: while AI has drawn significant funding, that's simply what happens when a new industry is just beginning. Draw significant funding just means AI has attracted a lot of money from investors. People and companies are putting big amounts of cash into AI projects because they believe it has huge potential. You can also say, AI has attracted massive investment, which is a typical pattern for industries in their infancy. In their infancy is just a figurative way of saying at a very early stage of development. So when we say industries are in their infancy, it means those industries are new, still growing, and just starting out, kind of like a baby that's still learning and developing.
AI isn't just a technology, it's a structural change that is transforming entire industries and must be seen with a long-term view.
Okay, you can also say, AI is more than a technology. It's a fundamental shift reshaping industries that requires a long-term perspective. Fundamental shift means a big, basic change in how things work. It's not just a small tweak or improvement, it's a deep change that affects the core of an industry or system. Reshape means to change the form or structure of something, In this case, it's saying AI is changing the way industries operate, almost like molding them into a new shape. One more way to say it is, AI goes beyond being a tool. It represents a structural transformation of entire industries and should be considered with a long-term outlook. Go beyond being a tool means AI isn't just something we use like a hammer or a calculator. It's not only a helper for tasks, it's doing much more than that. AI is changing the way things actually work, not just helping with small jobs. Structural transformation means a deep change in the basic setup of industries. It's like remodeling the foundation of a building. The whole structure shifts. In business terms, AI is changing how companies are organized, how they operate, and even how entire industries function.